ISTE 6C is where we have to regularly evaluate and reflect on our professional practice within the course of the program. For our final exam, we have to do a power of reflection where we have to upload artifacts and assignments that pertain to each standard using LiveText. So we have to create our instructional technology portfolio template. And under each standard, we have to show how we met their standard with an assignment and embed a video. There are a total of 6 standards within each standard. There are different things that have to be met. Contribute to the planning, development, communication of technology-infused strategic planning. Advocate for policies and procedure. There must be an assignment or artifact for each standard. ISTE 2, teaching, learning, and assessments. A, you have to coach teachers in model designs. Also coach them in technology-enhanced learning experiences. Engage students in local and global interdisciplinary units. Emphasize creativity and higher order thinking skills. I think virtually that is going to finally be a plus, where everything is going to have to start from a higher order thinking process to engage students more in learning. Three, digital age learning environments. Technology coaches create and support effective digital age learning. So they model effective classroom management and collaborative learning strategies. Maintain and manage a variety of digital tools. Coach teachers in online and blended learning digital content. Select and evaluate the use of adaptive and assistive technologies. Troubleshoot basic software. Collaborate with teachers and administrators for digital tools. And use digital communication and collaboration tools. Four, involves professional development and program evaluation. Conducting needs assessments. Design, develop, and implement technology-rich professional learning programs. Evaluate results of professional learning programs. ISTE 5 talked about digital citizenship. How to promote digital citizenship. How to promote safe, healthy, and legal ethical uses in terms of digital information and tools. And promote diversity. And lastly, 6, content knowledge and professional growth. Engage in continual learning. And so LiveText lets you keep everything that you've done, put it in a portfolio so that people all around the world, you can share it with them. They can see it if you're applying for a job. They can look at your portfolio and then have questions based on interview off your portfolio. It's really a great tool and a great investment.